Passing rain shower out here on the weather deck, but we're going to have several hours tonight where we're going to finally dry out, especially for those areas to the south and east. You had a lot of rain today. 13 weather ball is still blinking bright for fewer showers in sight as the night goes on. It's also blue, continued cooler weather in view.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Around the area to the north and west of Grand Rapids, you've had a little bit of sunshine. You can kind of see that up in the Pentwater area, but to the south and east, we've had a lot of rain. That continues. The heavier rain is now basically from Kalamazoo to about Ionia eastward. We've had this line of some showers come through the greater Grand Rapids area, a little heavy right to the north. That's along a cold front that is pushing through right now. That's the first of two behind this second cold front. A lot of cool air behind that, and that's going to lead to some instability showers. That's where it's just too cold upstairs for how warm it is down on the ground. It's not going to be that warm, and a combination of some lake effect as well. And you can see those showers are going to clear on out this evening. We actually may go clear for a good portion of the night once the showers end, and we're going to start your Friday with some sunshine. But in the afternoon, we'll see some showers roll on in. That's with the cold front and low pressure system coming through, and that's going to affect your Friday night high school football game, so you're going to need to take your wet weather gear. And then it transitions to lake effect. Lake effect rain showers and clouds, some instability clouds as well with some showers. Not raining all the time on Saturday, but certainly raining more often than not, and there'll be some breaks in the clouds, and then we'll get a few breaks overnight Saturday night, but we're going to rinse and repeat this again during the day on Sunday. Some areas downwind of Lake Michigan, southwest of Grand Rapids, could see an inch or two of some more rain, while other areas will see a lot less. You can see about half an inch here in the greater Grand Rapids area, and all of that will come in small chunks. Now tomorrow, at best, we're going to be in the low 60s, about where we are right now, 65 in Detroit, but only 46 up in northern Wisconsin. We're going to drop into the mid 50s for highs on Saturday and into the low 50s on Sunday. Overnight lows next week may get down to around 40 or so, and highs for the most part will stay in the 50s, and that's reflected in our from October 11th through the 15th. That's the 6 to 10 day outlook. Advertiser in the low 60s, and as I mentioned, we'll probably be stuck in the 50s, and it looks like we will also see a little bit higher chance for more precipitation. Some of that will be coming as a system pushes just off to our south, may affect parts of southern lower Michigan late in the day. Late in the week. As far as our forecast for tonight, a few evening scattered showers, but skies will become partly to mostly clear for a while. Overnight lows around 50 to 53 northern part of the lakeshore zone, mid 50s from Muskegon, Holland down through South Haven. Northern zone, a couple of lingering sprinkles or some light showers, and then skies will be clearing. Overnight lows around 50 along US 10, low 50s Fremont and Greenville from greater Grand Rapids area southward. The heavier rain will be ending from Kalamazoo to Ionia, and then we will see skies clear. Overnight lows in the low and mid 50s. 13 on your side forecast. Will be mostly cloudy, and I'm going for a high of only 49 on Columbus Day on Monday, and then shooting back into the 50s to around 60 by next Wednesday. Toward the end of next week and the following weekend, there also could be some scattered showers around, highs in the 50s. We've got that annular eclipse coming up of the sun coming up on the 14th. The Saturday, might not be able to see it from West Michigan.
Brr, that's going to feel really cold. 49 on Monday.
What a difference a week makes, that's for sure. Thanks, George.
Well, the heavier rain is pushing east of the greater Grand Rapids area. We've got a period of time tonight where it will be dry and actually clear on out. But the trend is toward more rain and cool weather. 13 weather ball reflects that nicely. It is blinking bright. Still a few showers in sight overnight, but most of them will be tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. It's also blue, much cooler weather now in view.
The 13 weather ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Well, we've got some football games. Showers for your Friday games, so a lot different than last week. Only around 53 to start the game, 50 by the end of the game. Feel more like the 40s. You'll need your wet weather gear for high school football games. Michigan State at Rutgers. That is along the East Coast. 70 degrees with some showers there. No escape. Western Michigan also has a noon game, but that's at Mississippi State, 61 and sunny down there. Morning showers over in Buffalo. That'll be courtesy of Lake Erie over there with only 58 degrees. U of M plays a 7:30 game at Minnesota, 53 and mostly cloudy there. And Grand Valley hosting Kentucky State, lake effect rain showers and 52 degrees. And finally, Notre Dame has a 7:30 game, mostly clear at Louisville. So a lot of away games here tomorrow, on Saturday, I should say. Temperature only 62. First of two cold fronts going through the area. The first one brought all that heavier rain and a brief shower. That's right along the cold front. Second one moving through central Wisconsin. That will eventually push through tonight. That may trigger an isolated shower right around midnight or so, but then skies will be clear. Now you're going to wake up to a lot of sunshine. It will look great, but by the end of the day, here comes some showers. That's associated with a little low pressure system coming on through. After that moves through, here comes the cool air. Lake effect showers throughout the day on Saturday. Not a total washout, but breaks in the clouds. We'll see some showers from time to time, and we'll rinse and repeat that during the day on Sunday as well. So it is going to be a cool and damp weather pattern right on through the weekend. Rainfall, depending on where you're located, especially southwest of Grand Rapids, right in through here, there could be an inch or two of mainly lake effect rain showers, half an inch downwind of Lake Michigan. Could use a little bit of rain, maybe not as much as Kalamazoo and Battle Creek had today, but certainly it's been fairly dry the last 30 days. Highs tomorrow into the 60s here, low 60s Grand Rapids about where we are now, 50s and even some 40s back to our west. We'll drop into the low and mid 50s on Saturday, and at best low 50s during the day on Sunday. We're going to continue with this cool weather pattern. Maybe getting out of that around the 13th through the 19th of the month. You can expect near average temperatures, which at that time upper 50s and low 60s, warm out west. And in terms of precipitation, large part of the central part of the country, high chances for less precipitation. Forecast for tonight, still a lingering shower is possible, but skies will be clearing. Overnight lows around 50 to 53, Ludington and Hart, mid-50s, Muskegon, Holland down through South Haven. A couple of lingering showers, especially from Big Rapids and Greenville east for the next few hours. Otherwise, clearing skies, low 50s here, and some showers will eventually end off to the east of Grand Rapids. Overnight lows in the low and mid-50s. 13 on your side forecast. Average high is 66. We will not see that for the next 10 days as we drop out of the 60s tomorrow into the 50s Saturday and Sunday. In fact, it only may get to 49 now on the holiday on Monday. Climbing back into the 50s to around 60 Tuesday through Friday of next week. The following weekend looks like we may see some scattered showers. As a cold front approached, we had some heavy rain throughout much of the day today, but some positive news. Skies are starting to clear. We've got a view from our Snug Harbor Tower cam there, courtesy of Grand Haven over there. Looking great. It should be a great sunset here in West Michigan. 13 weather ball tonight is blue. We've got cooler weather in view. It's also blinking bright. Still a few lingering showers, especially to the east tonight.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Lincoln Grand Rapids.
Highs today were around midnight, so we don't forecast midnight highs. We forecast afternoon readings. We said it would be 67 in the afternoon. It was only 64. That's within our target range. We've done that 6 days in a row. A lot of rain has fallen, especially Grand Rapids South, an inch and almost 3 inches down toward the Battle Creek area, an inch and a quarter over in Holland. I pulled some of the weather sites. There was a ton of rain, the most around the Ionia area at about 3 1/3 inches. A lot of 3-inch amounts, especially Lawrence, Matawan down toward Battle Creek, Plainwell, 2-inch plus amounts in many other locations to the north and west. You hardly saw any rain at all. We could have used the rain. Kalamazoo, you've had a couple of events where you've had a lot of rain, so the airport there has actually have a surplus, but everywhere else here in West Michigan since September 1 has had less rainfall than usual, and also in the UP, so it has been fairly dry. We welcome the rain. Heavier rain is now moved to the east. There is still a line of some showers right in through there, but those will be ending shortly. These are current temperatures. Look, sunshine coming out at the lakeshore, low and mid 60s. Let's travel around the state. Friday, we're looking at low 60s, some scattered showers, 50s up north where they have some moderate color in northern lower. Peak over the eastern part, western part of the UP, but scattered showers from west to east all the way through Mackinac Island. We're looking at mid 50s here during the day on Saturday, 60 around the lakeshore. 40s, though, up in northern lower Michigan where they have moderate color, and 40s along the Lake Superior shoreline. Maybe a little bit of a break here and there from some lake effect showers. And on Sunday, we'll only be in the low 50s with some scattered showers, some pockets of sunshine, upper 40s, mid 40s there up around Grayling, and a mid and upper 40s across the UP. So kind of a cool fall-like weekend. All of those showers pushing to the east. You see another round of some brief showers overnight, but the general trend is toward clear conditions. We'll start the day with sunshine, but by the time you head to your Friday night football games, we've got scattered showers, and they're going to be on and off overnight tomorrow night through Saturday. Not an all-day rain, and not everyone will see rain on Saturday. Some pockets of sunshine, but also some scattered showers, and that'll be the case again on Sunday into Sunday evening. And there could be a good deal of rain downwind of Lake Michigan, especially from Holland to southward as we get into the latter part of Friday night into Saturday. It could be an inch or two of rain in Muskegon and Holland on top of what we've already seen. Forecast then for tomorrow, look for morning sunshine, afternoon clouds with scattered showers, breezy here, low and mid 60s. Inland a little bit cooler, low 60s here. Morning sunshine, afternoon showers developing right for your Friday night football games, and low and mid 60s with breezy conditions and those scattered afternoon and evening showers. 13 on your side forecast. Downward trend in temperatures. We will not reach our average high of 66 the next 10 days. In fact, highs on Monday may struggle to be near 40, or near 50, I should say, in the 40s, mid 50s on Tuesday, and then around 60 plus or minus a few degrees. Trending toward next weekend, again, some scattered showers.